And it's time for the Slocum-Dickson Medical Moment. Courtesy of Slocum-Dickson Medical Group on Burstone Road, SDMG.com. SDMG.com is the website. Make sure you like their Facebook page as well. Adrian, good morning.
Good morning.
So, number one, of course, it's Heart Run and Walk weekend coming up, and you guys are going to be a big part of that.
Yeah, so we'll be there Friday all day. We have a display table, and it's a great place if you want to stop and get information and just talk with us about, the physicians that we have. If you're looking for primary care, stop by because we'll have everything there. We'll have giveaways, goodies for you to take along too.
Do you have pens?
No, we have lip balm, which is really nice.
That's a good one.
Yeah, and then we have like hot and cold packs, and those are cool. Like you can put them either in the microwave or you could freeze them.
Oh, that's what's up. That's very cool.
Yeah,
okay, that's way better.
We have good
than
stuff.
I
know.
That's way better
Everybody
than
has pens. You got to do something different.
And if you're gonna do pens, always do the big thick ones. That's just me though, because I got big hands, big fingers.
Okay,
I'm just saying.
All right.
Anyways, so Adrian, would you like to introduce who you brought with you this week?
Yeah. So today I have Dr. Oduwa with us, who is one of our newest primary care physicians. He's actually a family practice physician. So.
Dr. Oduwa, good morning.
Good morning.
Number one, I love the fact that family practice has such a big reach here in Central New York, especially at Slocum, because my family practice is Dr. Silveraja in Slocum-Dickson, and the fact that you can go in and be like, okay, this is what's going on with me, and if you feel like you need more testing and you want to really get a handle on anything, you really can send them right down the hall or right upstairs, and you can get more questions answered in a quicker amount of time.
That's true. That's one of the best things about Slocum-Dickson. Our colleagues are right down the hall, which is very convenient for our patients.
Absolutely. And rumor has it that it's Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month. Now, what kind of things should people be aware of? What kind of things should people be concerned with? What kind of signs should people look for?
So what people need to remember is that colorectal cancer is big. It's the leading cause of death in the U.S. And every year we have over 130,000 people that are diagnosed with colorectal cancer.
No
about
kidding.
50,000 deaths.
Wow.
So it's big.
Yeah.
Some of that, we also need to remember that there are good screenings for colorectal cancer. If you catch it early enough, it's basically preventable. Okay. Some of these risk factors are family history. If you have like first degree or second degree family members, brother, sister, father, mother that have colorectal cancer, you need to start your cancer screenings early. And your age, over the age of 50, is also a big risk factor.
Okay.
Obesity, smoking, so on and so forth. Sometimes your dietary habits and being sedentary are also risk factors.
Okay.
So the screening for colorectal cancer, we start at age 50 for average risk individuals.
Okay.
Both men and women. Doesn't really matter. And however, if you do have a family member that either have had colorectal cancer diagnosed at 60 or below, or who have history of polyps, then we need to start the screening from the time they were diagnosed. We start 10 years earlier.
Okay.
So if someone was diagnosed, let's say at 55, then we start the screening at 45.
Absolutely, that makes a lot of sense. And one of the nice things is if you go to Slocum-Dickson Medical Group's Facebook page, a lot of times they will have a ton of helpful hints and different things like that to help you stay safe. Guides and little tricks of the trade.
Tips.
Yeah, exactly. And so you definitely want to like their page for Slocum-Dickson Medical Group. And Dr. Oduwa, for family practice wise, you are accepting new patients, correct?
Yes, I'm accepting new patients. I see everybody from birth to very old age. It doesn't really matter, men, women, children. I see everybody, and I'm looking forward to meeting a lot of people.
And for details, you can go to sdmg.com, sdmg.com. 798-1500 is the phone number, 798-1500. Dr. Oduwa, Adrian, thank you so much for coming in for Slocum-Dickson Medical Moment. I know you have a big weekend coming up with the Heart Run, and make sure you ask Adrian for the hot cold pack.
Yes.
Get them
before they're gone.
And if you really want to break her chops, ask for a free pack. 10.
Yeah,
And there you go.
there you go.